This is just a big moment right here. I know I didn't really videotape too much because it's just my personal own project and I don't really feel like filming it. So here it is. The transmission is split from the frame. Probably for the first time ever since 1962. Not 82. 62. Alright, that's not light. I can tell you that. And I'm a greasy mess. Turn that music off. But yeah, that's the first time I've ever had this frame, that rear end, split on this tractor. I've never had it split ever. I've never had the dash off because that's why you can see the layer of paint when I tried to touch it up with a brush. And Yeah, that was like from like 5 years ago. And I still have to take off this arm for the 3-point, but this one is staying just so it's not really in my way, so I'm not too worried about that. But now, where the heck am I gonna put that? So yeah, I think this is gonna be it for this video. I know it's not really short, I mean it's not really long, and it doesn't make that much sense, but I don't know how much I'm gonna videotape about this tractor. It's just, I'll probably show here and there. I have some other videos that I want to videotape about, like the Ford F-150 and some other stuff. So this is kind of like my personal project that I'm going to do off YouTube and stuff like that. It's just where I've always started. This is where I started for my restorations. So yeah, so if you guys see it in the background and it's, you know, I'm starting body work on the frame and stuff, don't worry, I will do small updates on it. I just don't want to really film the whole project. I just want to do this at my own rate. I'm not going to have it done, you know, over winter. It's probably going to be late spring, early summer where I'm going to have this thing done. I'm going to do it right. I'm going to take my time and just fix what I did when I was 13 or 14 years old, and I'm 20 now, so this tractor means a lot to me, so I have a lot of sentimental value to it. Just like my other things, my trucks and stuff. So this tractor just means a lot to me, so I just kind of decided to do it off camera. So hopefully you guys, oh, what's the word for that? Oh, understand. Hopefully you guys understand where I'm coming from. I know some of you guys have some sentimental value to some things and you guys just don't want to videotape all of it, and you just want to spend the time and take pictures. I'll definitely show you pictures. There will definitely be slideshows in this or the next video or whatever video I make of this tractor. They'll probably just be slideshows. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all later. By the way, the steering wheel is junk now. That thing was so seized up to the steering column, but my one buddy hooked me up on a pretty good deal, and he's sending me a wheel for, I think he said 40 bucks, and that's including shipping. So I got a new original wheel coming, and I might need a steering column because this sucker is wallered out. It's been like that ever since I've owned the tractor. Here, that's original paint right there. So I might have to price another steering column for an original. And we're getting a new wiring harness, just not a new voltage regulator. That one works, so I'm just going to leave it good enough alone. And yeah, might be doing away with the gauge. I don't know yet. I might keep the gauge. I don't know. We'll see with the new wiring harness. So nothing's going to be custom on this. It's just going to be for how you see it. That's what it's going to be. So I might just keep that gauge because I'm not going to put extra lights and stuff like that, like how I did the 100. This is gonna be all factory. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all later.